Honeygain is a passive income generating service that allows users to earn money by sharing their internet connection with the Honeygain network. Here's a simple guide on how to use Honeygain to make money from home. Sign up. Visit the Honeygain website and sign up for an account. You will need to provide a valid email address and create a password. Download and install. After creating an account, download and install the Honeygain application on your computer or mobile device. Log in. Open the Honeygain app and log in using the credentials you created during the sign-up process. Activate. Activate the Honeygain app and it will start running in the background. Honeygain will use a small portion of your internet bandwidth for network intelligence. Earn credits. As your device contributes to the Honeygain network, you earn credits. These credits can be converted into real money. Payout. Once you accumulate a sufficient amount of credits, you can request a payout through PayPal. Check settings. Adjust the settings in the Honeygain app to control the amount of bandwidth used or to pause the service if needed.